Hello viewer, in Photoshop I will generate the design structure there, make a paint around it. So we are going to make the designs here. Let's try to use the shapes. Let's try that shape again. So there we have. I will use an eraser tool